Episode of the Sakakbu Dennis. Adil's journey will become deeply emotional because fatherhood comes to him at the worst possible time. He does not get a spaceful moment to hold Eleni, explain the past, or ask forgiveness for the year they lost. Instead, the truth arrives like lightning, and immediately after that, Eleni is thrown into danger. This makes Adil's pain almost unbearable. He is not only chasing a missing daughter, he is chasing every meter he missing, every tear he never wept. Every memory is stolen from him. That is why his anger becomes so quiet. He is no longer fighting for pride. He is fighting for a life that should have been his from the beginning. Esme understands his this pain, but she is also afraid of what it can do. What it can do. She is also afraid of what it can create. She knows other love can be as wild as the sea. When that love becomes mixed with guilt and fear, it can drown everyone around him. Sheriff thinks he has created control by taking Eleni, but he may have awakened the worst version of Adil. Still, Eleni is not only Adil's daughter by blood, she is also Esme's daughter by strength. She carries both of them inside her. That is why she does not collapse. She watches Sheriff studies the road and leaves behind signs that can guide searching for her. Then comes tremors over the kind of offer that turns rescue into sacrifice. Adil may have to accept marriage arrangement that breaks Esme's heart, but his eyes will say something else. How may band of this daughter, but he will not break forever. In the next episode, Adil will become a father in fire, not in peace, and that fire may burn every enemy standing between him and Eleni.